Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am on the website of backlinko.com, and on this website there is a blog in which we are going to learn about YouTube SEO, how to rank YouTube videos in 2023. This is the most recent article and we are going to learn a lot from it. Let's start. In this post I am going to show you exactly how to rank your YouTube video. In fact, this is the exact process that I used to grow my channel over to 189,000 views per month. So if you want to get more views, subscribers and traffic from YouTube, then you will love this in-depth YouTube SEO tutorial. Let's dive right in. How I grew my YouTube channel from oh no to yeah to heck yeah. Before we get into today's video SEO guide, a quick backstory. When I first launched my YouTube channel, I struggled to get hardly any views. To find forward to today, my video ranks for all sorts of competitive keywords like SEO. Okay, that's good. 1 and 2. Now that you can see that I know what I am talking about, let's dive into the steps I used to get these results. Step number 1, YouTube keywords research. The YouTube SEO progress begins with video keyword research. Here is exactly how to find the right keywords for your YouTube videos. First, generate a list of keywords ideas. Your first step is to generate a big list of potential keywords. In the next step, I will help you find out the best keywords from your list. One of my favorite strategies is to use YouTube's search suggest feature. All you need to do is to head over the YouTube and pop in a word or phrase, and YouTube will hand you a bunch of keywords related to what you typed in. These suggested keywords are great. Why? Because these are terms that people actually type into YouTube. So there is no need to wonder if they are popular or not. If YouTube suggests them to you, they definitely are. You can also go to popular video in your niche and copy the same keywords that the YouTube is optimized around. As you probably know, keyword optimization is a key part of your YouTube SEO. So if a video has lots and lots of views, chances are that video is optimized around a popular keyword. To execute this step, go to another channel in your niche, then sort their videos by most popular. This will show you their videos that have generated the most views. The next video, next choose a video from the list. Obviously, you want to pick a video that you can create an awesome video around more on that in step number 2. But in general, if the video is in your niche, it will work. Finally, see which keyword that video is optimized around. This is easy. Just check out the keyword that video uses in its title, description, and video tags. Okay. To see a video tags, I recommend that wide IQ Chrome extension. It shows you a video's tags right on the page. You can also find some excellent keywords in your YouTube traffic source. YouTube search report. This report shows you all the keywords that YouTube users have searched for to find your videos. In many cases, these are keywords that you already know about because you optimized your videos around them. But sometimes you will find a handful of keywords that you never would have thought of. For example, here is an example of a keyword that I found in my traffic resources report. It's SEO tutorial for beginners. This is a keyword I would never have found using any other strategy, but I know that people are searching for it in YouTube, so it makes for a great keyword to add in to my list. Second, find the best keywords from your list. Now that you have generated a list of keywords, it's time to choose the best one from your own list. Specifically, you want to target low competition keywords. This is especially important if your channel does not have any subscribe have not does not have many subscribers yet. If you swing for the fences and go for go after competitive keywords, your video is gonna get buried in the search results. Instead, you want to find keywords that don't have a lot of competition. How do you check? All you need to do is search for your keyword in Google and check it out the about results. This number represents the total number of videos on YouTube about that topic. The higher this number, the more competitive a keyword is. So you want to target keywords that have a low about results number. How low should you go? Every industry is different, so I can't give you a specific number to shoot for. Just focus on choosing keywords that have low competition relative to other videos in your niche. For example, when I search for YouTube SEO, there are 15 million results. That's a lot. So if I was starting out, I would uh, try a few other keywords like YouTube ranking factors. Bingo, that keyword has only 20,900 results, and that means this keyword is much less competitive. Finally, a bonus tip: search for your keyword in Google. Here is the deal: most viewed on YouTube came from within your YouTube platform, and all this is on this website if you scroll down. See you soon in the next video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye, take care.